So iOS 26.5.2 just officially came out, and you might be wondering how it's holding up on the iPhone 13. Now, keep in mind of a few things. The iPhone 13 is going to be one of those types of software updates that is basically going to take a little bit of time for it to kind of get a little better, but so far I'm getting a really good experience on this version of software. Now, this update was basically just a big bug fix update and improvement update. So it didn't really bring anything crazy to the table. There's no big improvements in terms of like feature sets or anything like that. All it's basically going to be bringing is basically just some specific bug fixes within their kernels. So there were a lot of like random issues that were basically going on here, where it was basically like some random kind of, I guess, like glitches in the Safari application or for WebKit, where there were a lot of vulnerabilities that were going on. So Apple's gone through and pretty much fixed those vulnerabilities, and that has basically been addressed here, which is awesome. So as of this point, you will be able to go through and basically update to this version of software and basically fix those problems. Now keep in mind, this is going to be a good update, but I would recommend this update way more than I recommend iOS 27. I would not recommend iOS 27 just yet. I would highly recommend sticking with iOS 26 and then maybe eventually going up to iOS 27 maybe later on. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.